All right. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Glad you all enjoyed the intro video. I know it was a bit long, but I do like to get my points to come across. So I do repeat myself, and one thing you'll notice is that I do a lot of repetition. The reason for my repetition is something you learn in Forex is repetition, repetition, repetition. If you're consistent and you repeat the same process over and over again, that's how you become consistent, and that's how you become successful in your Forex journey, that is. Anyway, guys, we're on to video number 1. Right, let's go. Introduction to the tools you will need when you decide to actually start trading. So I discussed in the previous video that I'm going to go through a couple of things. So this first video is about the tools that you need, and I will go in depth on each of these tools that I've set out. We're going to go on to the first one, being risk management. Alright, guys, so when I say risk management is a tool that you need, it's not necessarily that it's a physical item that you need, but risk management will form a very large part of your Forex journey. So you absolutely have to know risk management to the T. Without risk management, you don't have much to go on. So I'm going to teach you risk management is a tool that you need. Now, guys, just write all this down. Keep it on a notepad for now. The second thing is brokerages and MetaTrader 5. Okay, so as a tool, you're going to need to have a brokerage. You're going to choose your own brokerage, or you're going to ask me for advice, or whatever the case is. I'm going to show you my brokerages that I use. I currently have 3 brokerages. I do not trust the brokerages in the country that I'm in, but I have 3 brokerages all outside of the country I live in. So your tools that you'll need is a brokerage, number 1, and then MetaTrader 5, which is physical software. So the physical software that goes onto your computer, you will get the MetaTrader from your actual brokerage. You'll download it, you'll install it, you'll set it up, etc. So just to let you know, you'll need MetaTrader 5. The next thing you'll need is TradingView. TradingView is a website where you will be able to see all the currency pairs, etc., and you'll be able to draw lines and support and resistance. But all you need to know now, that write this down as a tool you'll need, is TradingView. And you do not need the paid version, so don't stress. The next thing that I feel that you guys will need and you will do very well with is Magic Keys. It'll be at your discretion, but once I show you Magic Keys, it can be up to you and you can decide. I use Magic Keys. It just helps me a lot. I can focus more on my actual when I'm gonna enter and when I'm gonna enter a trade, and then when I'm going to exit. So in other words, break of support or break of resistance, retest and then down, or retest and up. But the Magic Keys basically sets up my take profits, my stop losses, etc. It is a physical device, absolutely amazing device. And I will teach you about Magic Keys, but you can just put that as your tools needed. You will need a news site. I will teach you about news sites, but you can put this as a tool that you need. You're going to need a news site. It'll be a Forex based news site. Okay, I use 2 different sites, but my main one, and I think I said it before, Financial Juice, but I'll teach you about it in the video, so you can write that down. You're going to need a trading plan. Okay, guys, I will teach you about a trading plan, but just write this down in your notes. You're going to need a trading plan. So all these points, you just put points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just write this down. You're going to need a trading plan. The next thing, we're going to talk about mentors and / groups. So what happens is you join a mentorship with, I don't know, whoever it may be, and then they have a group of people, and trading is a very lonely thing to do. Having a mentor and groups can be good if you choose the right one. If you end up with the wrong mentor and the wrong groups, you basically just become a number and a statistic, and you pay them, and that's basically about it. You learn what you learn, and it's kind of, I don't have anything bad to say about any mentors or groups, but I will guide you as to who you should look at. In fact, the people that I talk to you about coming much later on in the other videos, you can actually go and look at these guys for free every single day. So mentors and groups, write that down. It's going to be one of the tools that you need. I promise you, you don't want to get stuck being lonely in this industry. Okay, simulation software. Okay, so guys, Soft4FX is a simulation software. I'm sure that a lot of you know this, but a lot of you don't. So simulation software is basically going to be, it's software that you download and that you purchase, where you are able to actually take live markets and go back in history, and you can execute trades, you can do buys and sells and take profits and stop losses, and you can learn in which the way the market moves, and you basically simulate the markets, and it's an excellent training tool. I love these things. I'm on simulation every second weekend. Every second weekend I make sure that I'm on a simulation. You don't need to really do it during the week. So every second weekend for me, it's a nice refresher, and I will if you look on my link below, that's the website, but you don't need to go there now. Just put this down as something, as a tool that you'll need. Okay, so that's basically it in terms of the tools that you need. So if we look at what we discussed, I'll just go back here. So the tools, hopefully this is what you've written down: risk management, brokers and MT5, meaning MetaTrader 5, which is software, TradingView, the website, magic keys, new sites, trading plan, mentors and groups, and simulation software. If you look at that, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different things. Write that down. That'll be your basically kind of like your starter pack once you make the decision to whether you're going into this industry or not. Anyway guys, that's it for me on this first video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want, you can Google the stuff, but I will teach you in depth going forward. So peace out. Let's see. Thanks guys.